صبحكم الله بالخير، معكم شيف أنيسة الحواج، واليوم قاعدة أنقل لكم نوع من أنواع الكيك الرائع. راح نسويه من لمان، مخبز لمان اللي موجود في الهيلتون، اللي بيسوي لنا الكيكة فنان منصب. معانا الشيف خالد.
Happy birthday and coming to Hilton, Bahrain today to make this stunning Mother's Day cake with saffron and pistachio. So inshallah from the start we will start with it, then we will show all how to make it.
Chef, it looks incredibly nice. Really, I love the way it looks. But you told me there is a very special ingredient in it.
Of course, yes. This is a special cake we make from the Mother's Day previous one, and people love it and people like it because of the flavor and the texture. Because I went for these flavors because normally what we get those flavors at home in country especially, like saffron, pistachio, almond.
So we will start by doing the sponge cake, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah. And a sponge cake, we do usually like to make it puff. What do we use usually?
This one I'm not making like a soap puff because this one I did as for the Mother's Day cake like a homemade one. No baking powder, no baking soda, something very simple that we can do at home. You're using only 4 ingredients.
Oh, which is?
Butter, icing sugar, almond powder, and eggs.
Oh, that's lovely. Let's do it.
We'll grab some butter and icing sugar. Icing sugar. Normally, I put always icing sugar in first because the butter will not touch the surface.
Yeah.
Normally, if you put the butter first and when you put next icing sugar, always gets stuck.
Love your idea. I'm going to copy it.
Thank you. Make sure you start with the very slow speed.
What is that? That's chutney.
A little bit heavier but shorter, but it's soft as well. So it's not going to be when you put your knife or fork, whatever it is, into the cake, it will be so soft. That's our slow. The next part, the main saffron cream.
Oh, that one's going to be inside the cake.
Yes,
yeah.
Certainly.
The filling.
So that's the main part of the cake. So I will add the butter, cream and the milk and 2 spoons of saffron. It depends on what is the flavor you like and how much you need.
Sure.
So I put it like that and stir it a little bit. Then let it be for a while until it's getting boiled. Okay, Chef Anisa, for the saffron paste creme, now I have egg yolk with vanilla essence, vanilla seeds. We are using the one of the best vanilla essence.
Oh,
So
I can
it's
smell
with
it.
the seed and all those the freshness, everything is there. And we'll add some sugar with the egg yolk. Then I'll have corn flour, which I'm going to add here. Then I will add some milk. Mix nicely.
Is it full cream milk? Or?
Yes, it is full cream milk, but depends on your taste and the milk. So you
So
can.
we could do it like in both ways?
Yes, of
like
course, certainly. So then you mix this one nicely, not to have any clumps, because this goes directly to the hot milk and cream, which I'm boiling there with saffron.
Yeah.
But, and normally when it's boiling, we will mix it here.
Yeah.
Then we, but because of my this technique, I already had a milk there and it's cold,
Oh.
and it's not going to be cooked there.
Oh.
So when it's cooking, the eggs not going to get separated.
Oh, that's wrong.
Okay, the butter mixture, after the butter and ash, we mix got to a nice stage, then we mix the eggs.
Yeah.
Then finally, I just nicely fold in the almond flour with a little bit of salt, as I said.
And this is the final product for the sponge cake. Before the
So this will be a very thin layer, not much higher. Other thing is it's very less gluten, so we need very high sugar to get.
because of the almond flour.
Yes. Okay. Just to make sure all the edges and everything is covered properly, I just need to use piping bag just to cover the bottom of the cake and the side of the cake and the top of the sponge. Then I have another almond sponge, and this is the best part of this. We have the curved tip. with this almonds. So I this is plain taste is also strawberry, something a little bit at your home.
I think that you your cake, the preparation very less, but it's good. You can see that how good that your cake is.
Because it's one more thing that we try to use the fresh ingredients from the flowers, like flowers, leaves, herbs.
Now, the final product and the most beautiful thing in the whole this video is tasting.
This food is delicious. So I'll do it. This part. You can see all of the layers, and you can see that jelly is dancing right now, and the cream is soft. So this card jelly is going to be just now, because that's the one who will give you all the balance and jelly. Would you try, please?
Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. You try it with me. It's nice. See that? Have all the elements.
And I can feel everything. You know what I mean? I can feel the saffron, I can feel the carrot, I can feel the pistachio.
How is the crunchiness and the sponge texture? How you feel?
I'll tell you what, really you have to try this. And then the very good news, you know what? You have 10% discount if you just give my name, Chef Anisa Al Hawaj. Your code will be Anisa, A-N-I-S-A, which is all capital letters. Whether you order it online or you came here in the hotel, you can have 10% discount. You can try this. So happy I came here. So happy. اليوم كان يوم ممتع جميل من جد يعني، واقول لكم هذه لازم تجربونها في هيلتون هوتيل وتجربونها لان طعمها خيال والله قاعده هني راح تجربونها. Thank you so much, Chef, for inviting me here and to show me how to do this beautiful and really tasty food.